Happy birthday, Anuradha. Wishing you many happy returns of the day. Not taking a big nostalgia trip and talking about all the years of friendship we had. I'll keep it light. Hope we get to spend more time together and have more fun. Wishing you the best for the day and the coming years.
हैप्पी बर्थडे सोनी, कैसी हो? मिले हुए बहुत दिन हो गए यार, मिलने का बहुत मन करता है, बट भूलने वाली फीलिंग नहीं आती है। इसके लिए तुम निश्चिंत रहना। हम लोग बहुत छोटे से साथ में थे और दोस्ती हमारी बहुत पुरानी है और समय का, भरोसे का, अटखेलियों का, बहुत सारी चीज़ों ने हमारी दोस्ती को स्ट्रांग बनाया है। तुम्हारे घर जब भी आता था तो हम लोग मतलब बोर हो रहे हैं, चलो सोनी के घर चलते हैं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, तो जाके बैठ गए। रूनी को बोल दिया नींबू की चाय बनाने के लिए। रूनी बेचारी नींबू की चाय बनाती रहती थी, लेकिन बहुत बहुत मस्त चाय चढ़ने रूनी तुम्हारा चाय। हम लोग न जाने कितने टॉपिक से बात किया है। दोस्ती से बढ़कर हम लोगों ने एक फैमिली की तरह हर एक इवेंट को, हर एक सेलिब्रेशंस को सेलिब्रेट किया है, साथ में मनाया है हमने। छठ तो ऐसा है कि मतलब भूल नहीं सकते हैं यार। मतलब वो गैदरिंग, वो प्रॉपर जो हम लोग मस्ती करते थे वहाँ पे छठ में, दैट इज़ वो एक्सपीरियंस मतलब पता नहीं फिर नेक्स्ट कब जीने को मिलेगा। तो हमेशा बोलती थी कार्मल इज़ द बेस्ट, और हम लोग इस पर लड़ाई करते थे यार, जेवियर्स बेस्ट है, लेकिन मुझे पता है कि कार्मल इज़ द बेस्ट, क्योंकि सारे तुम लोग का ग्रुप जो था वो जेवियर्स में हुआ आया। तो या जेवियर्स टेक द बेस्ट एंड कार्मल इज़ द बेस्ट बिकॉज दैट इट। लड़ो मत यार, अब इसमें क्या है, चलता रहेगा। मेरा घर जब हम लोग बड़े हुए थे तो बन रहा था, और जब जाने की बात हुई तो बस वही था कि यू विल मिस मोहल्ले की वो छत और मेरे यार। और वो जब सुबह से लेके शाम तक का जो हम लोग का ये रहता था कि बाहर निकलो तो क्या देखने को मिलेगा। हम लोग का क्रिकेट गेम खेलते थे तो छत पे जानबूझ के बॉल मारना, क्योंकि मोनी का वो रौद्र रूप देखने को मिलता था। और मैं ऐसे ही अपने पार्टिंग नोट्स पढ़ रहा था जब शायद हमारा झगड़ा हुआ था या फिर मतलब कुछ हुआ था, क्योंकि वो सेंस आ रहा था उसमें से कि तो तुमने 2-3 बहुत अच्छी बातें मुझे वहाँ पे लगी। एक तो कि झगड़ों को फेविकॉल से चिपका के नहीं बैठना चाहिए, उनको भूल जाना चाहिए। तो हाँ, मैं भूल गया, मैं मतलब चिपका के नहीं बैठा हूँ। तुमने मुझे बेस्ट फ्रेंड कहा था, मैं हूँ और रहूँगा। तुम लोग का ग्रुप का जब तुम लोग जेवियर्स में थे, तुम लोगों ने कई नाम दिए थे। एक तो हनुमान, तो बाद में पता चला शायद तुम लोग को, बट हाँ यार था। एक इवेंट तो है नहीं जिसका हम बोले कि ये था वो था। बहुत सारे ऐसे मोमेंट्स हैं जो कि बहुत ही अनफॉरगेटेबल से हैं और हम लोग भूल नहीं सकते हैं। मुझे याद है जब दिल्ली में तुमसे आके मिला था और देव से पहली बार मिलने का हुआ था, और इतना मज़ा आया था ना, बता नहीं सकता हूँ। एंड देव, यू आर जस्ट परफेक्ट फॉर सोनी, क्योंकि और कोई उसको नहीं खेल सकता था यार। सो कहने को बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं, लड़ने को बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं, खाने पीने को बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं, पर एंजॉय, हैप्पी बर्थडे, इट्स योर डे, हैप्पी बर्थडे सोनी। मिलते हैं कभी।
Hi Anuradha, I wish you a very very happy birthday and have lots of fun on the day. And I will not say 40th this time because I think we have decided that after Namrata's birthday, everyone would have their 40th next year. So let us keep it that way. I would also like to use this as an opportunity to thank you so much for that warm welcome we had at your place when I was there and Vivek was there when last time I visited India. And the welcome we had from Dave, your husband, was mind-blowing, and he's such a good host. Recently we had an exercise in our team when we were thinking of, when I'm saying team, it's the work team, and we were thinking of, we were supposed to take some indigenous word and talk about which person do we relate these words to. Now I took a word which is called Manaki. Manaki in the local New Zealand tribal language, that is called Maori language, it means welcome. Now when I think of welcome, Manaki, I think of Dave, your husband, and of course you are there. It was just amazing, mind-blowing how welcoming he was. In fact, we were overfed. I would have personally liked to have a few more drinks, but unfortunately I couldn't because I had to go to my friend's place, and my friend's mother is living with them, and I just wanted to be a bit sober when I reach their home. But next time, definitely I'll look forward to it. And I look forward, actually, both of you and Dave, to come to our place, and we'll be looking forward to host you guys. And the other thing which I observed is your husband keeps you like a queen, and it's amazing, and it's really feels good to see that you have got such a wonderful partner, 2 loving kids, and what else we can ask for from life. So be in touch like this we are through at least the WhatsApp group. Do visit us next time when you are here in New Zealand. I know Dave has promised that he'll be visiting us whenever he is at least in Australia. Just make a time to see us and enjoy the day. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hey Anuradha, I'll keep it short. Wishing you a very very happy birthday. Have a wonderful year ahead and lots of good times to come. Cheers and take care.
Happy birthday, Anuradha. Many, many happy returns of the day. It is hard to believe that we have attained such an age where we all need to take care of our health. I hope you will be doing the same. Please be fit, healthy and be safe, but still always feel young. Have a fabulous birthday.
पता नहीं पिछली बार आपके बर्थडे में शामिल होने का मौका कब मिला था, शायद 25 साल पहले या शायद 30 साल पहले। पर जब भी उन यादों को याद करने की कोशिश करते हैं तो बहुत सारी यादें जुड़ी हुई हैं। सबके साथ मिलकर के एक दूसरे का बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट करना, सारे पर्व त्यौहार को एक साथ मनाना, 15 अगस्त, 26 जनवरी, सरस्वती पूजा, टीचर्स डे, चिल्ड्रंस डे, सब हम लोग एक साथ मिल कर के करते थे। शायद अब वो दिन वापस लौट करके तो नहीं आ पाएंगे, लेकिन इस मैसेज के माध्यम से मैं आपको आज आपके जन्मदिन पर हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं भेजता हूँ। May God shower His choicest blessings on you, bless you with lots of love, peace, health and success in your life. Stay blessed, stay happy.
Hi Anuradha, many happy returns of the day and wish you a great year ahead. Bye. Take care.
Anuradha, so I think like most of us, we met her for the first time in 1997 to 99, and I think she is responsible for providing a direction to my, or rather our life since quite early stage, when we were still in teens. For instances, from Amitanshu's home or terrace, we exactly knew which direction to look towards. And I think she's also the reason of why we got to play Holi for the first time with a group of female friends. Those, as they call themselves, the wonderful seven. They were at Anuradha's place, and I think Amitanshu's mom called them for Abir, the second half of the Holi thing, and Rishika caught me on the stairs. So all thanks to you, Anuradha. And we had such association with Amitanshu's house that we were visibly so upset when he told that they are moving to their new home, only to later realize that that home opened new avenues. And fast forward to the next decade, February 2009, I was there in Delhi from Chennai for a week of vacation on Nitu's birthday, and we had plans to look for a home in Delhi, and Anuradha Society was pretty known and famous then, and we just had a plans to gather there for a quick snack and get some feedback from Dev and Anu. And there was already a buffet ready when we stepped in their house, and Dev really looked like a master chef. It was just too amazing. What was meant to be a simple meat over snack turned out to be a lavish lunch for us. And then Dev suggested, why don't we go for Dev D, that got a 5-star rating. And I was like, khana to acha tha, but what is that rating business? Only to later realize that that's a movie that just got released, and then perhaps that was the first movie I watched with Anuradha, and first few that we watched with Neetu. And then they even drove us to Southex and said he wants to drive us so that when they drive back, he gets to spend some time with Anuradha. That was so sweet of him, and as Hers said, perfect examples of him being a perfect host and treating Anuradha like a princess. And 8th August is a date I can never forget. And I have such an affinity with the date that I almost selected 8th August as the date when Neetu and kids are coming back here on 7th. But when I was selecting for the flight tickets, I almost selected 8th. And 8th August is also the date when I first landed into Chennai to start my IT career with Centel in 2005. Coincidentally, I even moved to Wipro on 8th of August 2011. So today I will be completing 9 years in Wipro as well. And then we have a very close family here, Shanti, Mithun and Misa. It's Shanti's birthday also on 8th. So there are so many reasons, and fast forward to another decade, 8th August 2020. So here is wishing you a very happy birthday to the lady who is the core of so many wonderful memories and associations and the reasons behind knowing a wonderful family. May you keep shining and rising, and may happiness and success be always with you and around you forever. Happy birthday once again. Thank you.
Happy birthday to my dearest friend Anuradha.
Hi sweetheart, wish you a very very happy birthday. Wish we could have been together on this day. August any which ways is a month of celebration. Missing you today and always. Love you to the earth and back to the moon. Take care.
And Radha Kaki, wish you a very very happy birthday. I love you and you stay safe on earth.
Happy birthday, Anu. I'm sure you're having a great time, and thank you Dev and Anumeha for setting this up. So Anu, it's been a long journey together, and I have always treasured our friendship. We spent some of our happiest moments in school. And remember Sister Cecile saying, born with a silver spoon in your mouth, you all are big gundas of my school. So to those days, to the endless chats, to the birthday parties at each one's place, it was always so much fun. And it's wonderful to see you evolve over the years. And incredible how perfectly you step in the shoes of a mother, a daughter, a sister, a friend each time. Your warmth, generosity, and self-reliance amazes me, and I always look forward to seeing you and your beautiful daughters. So more power to your quiet strength and positivity, and wish you a very happy birthday once again. Lots of love.
Hi Anu, wish you a very happy birthday, happy 40th, another milestone achieved. I've been trying to record this message for a while, but tell you the truth, I don't know where to start and where to finish, because it seems endless. It's been almost 3 decades that we've known each other, and more than 3 actually. But I still remember it was 8th standard when we really became good friends. We were in the same class, all the 7 of us, and we bonded so well. We were the gundas of Carmel School, and I think we would pass for gundas even in Xavier's. Nobody would want to take mangas with us. So we've been a gang, so to say, and the journey has been wonderful. It's amazing the way we victimize each other anytime and all the time, rather. Every time we have a crisis, any one of us have a crisis, we just sort of bug each other so much, and the kind of strength all of us give each other is amazing. One incident that I can never forget is your wedding, when Dave was late and he was going to come the next day. All of us knew about it, and we didn't want to tell you about it, and the way we conspired and we made sure that you just sleep off so that you don't get to know, and you never got to know. Of course, only later on you realized what had happened. It was so much fun. Carmel School was really, really, really special. The way Sister Cecile would call us, and she'd always say that our fathers, तुम्हारा पापा तुमको घोड़ा बनाना चाहता था और तुम लोग सब गधा बन गया. So yeah, we're all gadhas, no doubt there. But we've had this really, really wonderful. We've spent beautiful moments together, and I hope we continue with it forever. We're all like sisters, and you're so special. You're undoubtedly the most sensible one out of the 7 of us, the most sensible, the most responsible one. Be that pillar of strength for all of us, and I love you. Take care, and happy birthday once again.
हाय सोनिधि, कैसी हैं? जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत मुबारक. 40 साल, वाओ. आई नो बहुत सारे प्लान्स रहे होंगे इस बर्थडे के लिए, स्पेशल रहेगा ये, बट कोविड सिचुएशन, सो क्या कर सकते हैं. बट थैंकफुली आई एम अ पार्ट ऑफ योर वर्चुअल बर्थडे सेलिब्रेशन, सो विश यू अ हैप्पी बर्थडे अगेन. और बस यही कहूँगा कि बस स्वस्थ रहिए, मस्त रहिए, स्टे सेफ. हैप्पी बर्थडे.
हाय अनुराधा, wish you a very happy birthday. Hope you're doing well. I'm sure you're going to have a lot of surprises on your birthday, and hopefully you would love it. What I gather from what Prabhat, Amitanshu, Harsh has been speaking in their messages is that you have a very doting husband who's a wonderful man, and who's someone who kind of gives you a lot of comfort, support, and treats you like a princess, and that's a very beautiful thing to have. So yeah, that's really nice. That's really nice to know, and you're very lucky. So yeah, cherish it. Now coming to ourselves, I'm not sure. I don't think we have had much of interaction during our school days, but there are a few things which I kind of noticed about you or about your group. I think you guys call it Hanuman or Seven Wonders. You had a very beautiful group. You guys were so very different personalities when you were, kind of as an individual. But your group had a very different personality. You guys were kind of someone who would love to celebrate, express themselves. They're pretty loud, flamboyant kind of a group. I remember an instance in one of the playground when all 7 of you kind of formed a chain and were kind of dancing, singing, making noise, hitting the can on the field. वो कैडबरी वाला ऐड है ना, उसके ऐसा फील आता है उसे, that incident which I have in my mind. I saw you guys and you drew a lot of attention, including mine. And I used to think, see these guys, they're kind of so ecstatic, enjoying. They're so expressive. They don't even give a damn. They don't give a damn of being judged, in fact, and that was something which was really nice. And that happens when you love being together with people who you really kind of associate with. That was something which actually has been in my mind for long, and now that I have a daughter, I also want her to be kind of a person who has such a group where she is freely expressing herself, not kind of thinking about being judged. And yeah, that's it. That's a wonderful thing. Keep that thing that your group, you guys have been through thick and thins, and you have stuck together, and that's a very great, I think it's a great thing. And yeah, you have a great bunch of friends, you have a doting husband. What else could someone ask for? What more someone can ask for? I think that's something which you cherish, and I'm sure today you're going to have a heck of birthday celebration. People have planned for you. You would love it. Have a wonderful birthday once again. Have a rocking day. Love yourself, love your family, and enjoy.
Happy birthday, have fun, enjoy your day, and thanks for being in my life. Pata nahi, I just can't imagine myself without you. Pata nahi kya hote, and as people say that there are good friends who knows about you, they know story about you, but there are friends who lived your life with you, and you are a friend who I think has lived my life with me, and I want you to be with me forever. हम लोगों की स्टोरी इतनी पुरानी है, and I don't know, इस जन्म से भी नहीं, पिछले जन्म के दोस्त हैं हम. तो if we try to list everything, all the memories, it won't be enough in a video of a minute or 2. बट फिर भी कुछ फ़नी चीज़ें याद करते हैं. हमारी कंबाइंड स्टडीज़, जिसमें मैं चाहे कितना भी पढ़ाई कर लूँ और चाहे कितना भी मेहनत कर लूँ, क्रेडिट तुम्हें ही मिलता था मेरे घर में. मेरे पेरेंट्स ऑलवेज ट्रस्टेड यू. और क्या था, हाँ, व्हेन यू यूज्ड टू कम टू माय होम, हमें मार्केट जाना होता था या किसी फ्रेंड के घर पे जाना होता था, तो मैं तैयार नहीं होती थी और तुम पेशेंटली आकर के मेरे लिए वेट करती थी कि मैं आधे घंटे 1 घंटे तक तैयार हो जाऊँ. एंड अ फ्रेंड हु हैज शेप्ड माय लाइफ, एंड अ फ्रेंड whom I always looked up to, and who has helped me always and stay with me always. You are, I don't know, it's a blessing to me which has happened. And emotional नहीं करूँगी, रो मत देना please. Birthday है तो stay happy, keep smiling, and I will. एक इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ बताओ क्या? योर लेटर्स जो मेरे पास आज तक है, जो तुम मुझे पटना से लिखा कर लेटर्स, आई विल रीड इट आउट ऑन योर बर्थडे गिफ्ट एज योर बर्थडे गिफ्ट। दे वेट करना। अनु मेरे 10-10 पेज के लेटर्स लिखती थी और मुझे बहुत रुलाती थी। मैं एक पेज पे इतनी आंसू बहा के रोती थी। आई डोंट नो कि मैं क्या होती अगर अनु नहीं होती। आई डोंट नो सीरियस। अनु ने मुझसे एक बात छुपाई थी, आज तक कुछ नहीं छुपाया है उसने। सिर्फ क्या छुपाया था? उसने छुपाया था देव। My friend, I will be one friend who's gonna disturb you all your life. Love you, love you, love you, love you more than I can say. Have fun, and I'm missing you today. मेरी जिंदगी सवारी मुझको गले लगा के बैठा दिया फलक पे, मुझे खाक से उठा के यारा तेरी यारी को मैंने तो खुदा माना, याद करेगी दुनिया तेरा मेरा अफसाना।
विश यू अ वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे डियर। स्वस्थ रहो, मस्त रहो, खुश रहो। कहाँ से शुरू करूँ हमारी ये दोस्ती की दास्तान। We know each other for more than 35 years. And the best part of our friendship is जैसे जैसे समय बीतता गया हमारी ये जो बॉन्डिंग है, फ्रेंडशिप बॉन्डिंग, वो और भी मजबूत होता गया। I really cherish the time that we have spent together. Or the golden era of our friendship, I would say the time when we were in class 10th, 11th, 12th. वो बहुत ही was a golden time. एक दूसरे के घर जाना, लंच शेयर करना, कुछ मिस्टीरियस एक्ट्स करना और सबसे मज़ेदार अलग अलग पोजेस, वो वियर्ड पोजेस मार के फ़ोटो खिंचाना। दैट वाज सो अमेजिंग, राइट? और अभी भी जब भी उन फ़ोटो को देखो तो मन बहुत खुश हो जाता है। दिमाग अगर भारी सा भी है तो वो हल्का हो जाता है यार। सीरियसली दोज वेयर द बेस्ट टाइम ऑफ आवर लाइफ, आई वुड से। And I must tell you one thing, I have always seen you as a very calm, composed and focused girl. Always be like that, be strong, be brave. And I have a wish for your birthday. Let's plan a rock and roll get together, rock and roll party whenever the situation normalizes. And at the end, I must say you one thing, you are my friend forever. This is for you. ये दोस्ती हम नहीं छोड़ेंगे, तोड़ेंगे दम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे। हम नहीं छोड़ेंगे। Love you and bye-bye. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday once again.
Hi Anu, wish you a wonderful birthday. I'm sure you must be enjoying your day with such a loving husband and caring sisters around. I always envy you that you are blessed with so loving sisters. But trust me Anu, you are the biggest strength in my life. You are loving, caring and guiding nature always gives me a lot of strength. After school, when I entered into different stages of my life, you always guided me, whether it was entering into a corporate life, married life or motherhood. You have always been there to show me the right path. I think out of all 7 of us, you are the one with whom I have spent my maximum time after school. 12 years back when I came to Gurgaon, you were the biggest savior to me. Almost every weekend or monthly twice I used to come to your place in Gurgaon and we used to have a lot of parties. And those late night long chats, seriously I miss all that. It used to be so much fun, bitching, understanding relationship, learning parenting and whatnot. I think just because of all these, I have such a strong connection with Saisha as well, because I have seen her since the time you were pregnant and when she was just 3 years old. Hats off to you, Anu, and the way you have handled office, home and Saisha. Seriously superwoman. After Kyra's birth, when I was about to join office, I was completely clueless how it will be managed. But you said just one thing, सब टाइम के साथ ठीक हो जाएगा. You will always find your ways as you move on. Don't overthink. These are the magic words for me. Till date, whenever I feel stressed about how to manage work and Kyra, I just recall those lines. Thank you so much, dear. Life would have been very difficult without you. If you would not have been there, I am sure I would have quit my job long back. I know there are thousands of working women, but जो childhood connection तुम्हारे साथ है वो किसी और के साथ नहीं. I think maybe because we are attached to the same roots, so roots matters a lot. तुम्हारे हजारीबाग वाले छत पे हर्षु के हाथ की चाय, I can't miss those days. Till date, I never drink tea, but those were special. पता नहीं कब हम साथों फिर से हजारीबाग में मिलेंगे. I really miss those days. कार्मल स्कूल के बाहर वो रामू चाट और दीदी का आलू कट, वो पेपर में सिंगाड़ा, 50 पैसे का चूरन. Oh my God. I think it is going too long, so I will cut it short here. Once again, a very very happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye.
Happy 40th birthday, Anu. Love you. Enjoy your day.